Developing now, the search is on for a dog stolen from a boat on Southeast D.C. Both D.C. police and the dog's owner are asking for your help to bring her home safely.
Yeah, D.C. News Now's Randy Bass caught up with the dog's owner, who is remaining hopeful this afternoon that she's now joining us along the Anacostia River in Navy Yard.
Yeah, the dog's owner tells us he docked his boat here in Navy Yard Friday, just like he's done plenty of times before. Took his family out to dinner, except this time they came back and their new puppy Pepper was missing.
Someone had broke into the boat, broke into the cabin, and took Pepper.
Her owner, Edward Matthews, hanging flyers today just a few steps away from where it all happened Friday night along Potomac Avenue. 3-month-old Pepper was on the boat, locked away, while they grabbed something to eat.
We walked her out, took her up, probably somebody was watching, The Cane Corsos, they're expensive dogs.
Their new family dog, all black with white paws, newly cropped and stitched ears, weighing about 30 pounds. The puppy had only come home with the family about a month ago. Matthews has a young son.
He was devastated, heartbroken. That was his first puppy, We kind of bonded with her.
Now doing everything he can to bring the puppy back home. But not everyone has been so helpful. Some
kids called me and they said they had Pepper, but it was a scam. They were trying to get me to send them, money on Cash App, And it's unfortunate, but that's just the world that we live in.
And to whoever really has Pepper,
it's tough, It's like, somebody take your kid, Just like to have my puppy back.
Both Matthews and the D.C. Police Department are offering $1,000 rewards for Pepper's safe return. Anybody with any information at all is urged to call police. In Navy Yard, I'm Randy Bass, D.C. News Now.